Now let's learn how to create and configure a calendar for appointment booking in Shopify. So first, let's go to calendar settings, and click create calendar or new calendar. Then choose the calendar type, round robin, personal, or class or event. So let's choose the personal. So fill in the calendar name. Let's say uh, team building. So the description, the meeting duration, and assign it to a team member. Meeting duration. So confirm. So copy the booking link to share with clients or embed it on your own website. So that is how you create and configure a calendar for appointment booking.